Hi there, I'm Jeff and this is BetID. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can turn an adjective into its superlative form and how you can use nya to modify an adjective. So since we've got too much on our plate, let's dig in. So again, in English, you've got two kinds of superlative adjective. Easy, easiest. Hard, hardest. Comfortable, most comfortable. Popular, most popular. And it's the same in Indonesian. You've got two ways of changing an adjective into its superlative form. And don't worry to put your finger on it, since it's a piece of cake, believe me. So first, you can use the ter prefix. Mudah, termudah. Susah, tersusah. Nyaman, ternyaman. Popular, terpopular. Say, it's just a walk in the park. Second, you can use the adverb paling before the adjective. Mudah, paling mudah. Susah, paling susah. Nyaman, paling nyaman. Popular, paling popular. So between the first form and the second, there is no difference, and I guess you'd be well chuffed on hearing this. There is no rule. So you can simply attach the ter before the adjective or use the paling before the adjective. Both are interchangeable. And now we've come to the last thing in this video. So how you can use nya as an adjective modifier. Mudah, mudahnya. How is it as? So you can use nya to modify an adjective and it becomes like a kind of exclamation or impersonal expression. Susah, susahnya. Nyaman, nyamannya. Popular, popularnya. Now, I need your help to translate some sentences below to Indonesian. I'm sorry, it's just one sentence. English, how hard it is. It is the hardest language in the world, but it's the most popular language amongst all the language learners. How can you say that in Indonesian? Let me know. That's it from me. Dadah. Sampai jumpa.